Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the door where it matters: hinges, rollers, track, and the mesh. Remove debris and loose screws. This exposes the real problem so you can act rather than guess. Once done, measure gaps and note where the door sticks or drags so you can focus adjustments. Make sure to gather a screwdriver, pliers, replacement rollers or spline, and a utility knife. Having these on hand saves repeated trips and keeps momentum in the repair process. You'll next tackle the middle, aligning rollers and cleaning the track. Loosen the hinge or roller screws slightly, then raise or lower the rollers incrementally to center the door in the frame. This corrects scraping and uneven gaps. While you work, clean the track with a brush and cloth to remove grit that hinders movement, and apply a small amount of lubricant if needed. After each small change, test the door's slide so you know whether to keep adjusting or move on to the next fix. Finish by repairing the mesh and securing hardware so the door functions and looks good. Remove the spline, replace damaged mesh, press a new spline firmly, and trim the excess. This restores integrity and keeps insects out. Then tighten hinges, rollers, and the latch while confirming alignment so the door closes flush. If the door still binds after these steps, check the frame for warping or swollen wood. That's often the hidden cause. Plan to plane or shim the frame if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.